So measurement solution challenges within marketing, and you marketers out there certainly know a lot of, or some of these can resonate certainly with what you're doing, or some of the challenges you've experienced, and what I hear and we hear every day, and that is it's not giving the marketers a true picture of what is going on. So you're not seeing it from truly a holistic view, taking into account all of the different marketing touch points and seeing how one may play off another. Brand, so very important, is not included in these type of measurements, and a lot of companies spend a lot of their budget on increasing brand equity, brand love, brand awareness, intent, and consideration. So those are very important measurements to keep in mind when you're looking at platforms. The offline and online customer journey could be too just disjointed for a holistic view, too siloed. You may not be able to actually concretely show that entire customer journey as it's walking, as that customer goes from the initial touch point all the way to that sales conversion. Results in today's world, you need those results quickly, and you need to be able to optimize quickly. You can't wait 6 months or even a year in order to figure out how do we optimize our current media spend. Where do we put that marketing budget? Arbitrary value may be given, as we talked about earlier. Cheap inventory bias, that's basically buying a lot of ads where the CPM may be less, and it's not going to get you that impact that you need. Pockets of opportunity that are overlooked. This is in two different ways. There could be segments that maybe your marketing campaign is missing, that these are customer segments that have a high propensity to convert. Or it could be opportunity of media, like for instance, media that you have not even considered using, that could be an incredible way to get your message out to the right person at the right time and bring them to an easy conversion. Low impact tactics perception may miss the impact of certain key segments. You may throw out a campaign or an advertising campaign that you feel is not hitting or impacting as well. However, it may be really resonating with certain audience segments that are important to you. So it may be a certain kind of hidden audience segments that you're not going to see from some other types of measurement. And again, not forward-looking or predictive. So looking at all of this, what are marketers doing now? We talked about MTA, we talked about marketing mix. So in some cases, there have been solutions where they've actually put together a marketing mix model and an MTA model, trying to get both of both worlds, if you will, along that. Now, you don't have to have a PhD in statistics to understand where some of that difficulty could be when you are putting together a mix model with that MTA that we had discussed. If you want to use the word kludged or gluged, so they're actually pushing this together, which is what I like to consider more of a merged approach. A merged approach has its limitations. And some of those limitations can be, as you know, there's a good description at the bottom of the screen, but to just simplify that a bit, it's basically saying your mix model is looking at historical data, your MTA is looking at more real-time data, so there's that timing issue involved. Your mix model is using historical data, your MTA is using more current data. There's a disjoint there as well. your mixed model. The mixed model might be is looking at more aggregated data, where the MTA is, as we had talked about before, individual level data. And then there's the whole delay there. The timing is a bit off. And so that merged effect has its difficulties for sure, and some biases within there.